This is a SRM-230 Echo, and I've got this thing set up with for a brush cutter. It works perfect, but it always dripping fuel. I mean, when I leave it over here, if I leave it over in the corner, half the fuel will run out. I took the whole carburetor off and cleaned it the other day, and it looked like it was working, but I just came back over here and it's not. So anyway, I had looked online and you can buy these kits. I don't know if that's the right number, but anyway, for like $15 you get 3 of these. You need the bigger. On this older model you need the bigger one, but you get all of that, the fuel filters and the carburetor for like $15. So I'm going to see if I can't just switch this out. I took it off the other day and, like I say, cleaned it. There we go. That looks simple. In theory, now generally these carburetors are so cheaply made, but I mean, that's it. It's a big if, but if that just screws right back on, that would have been relatively simple. And on this new one, obviously, I haven't done anything. It did come with a new air filter too. The old one was just full of gas all the time. It would still run, and I'd run it, but it would leak all the gas out after you finished. That appears to be the throttle. I mean, it looks like the... Let's see if you can pump the bulb up. There's some gas. I'm not sure which is choke. I think this is choke. I'll cut the damn thing on for one. miraculous. The problem with the other one is you would leak gas. Now if that's that much plug and play, I'll give you the numbers to that, but I would highly recommend that thing for 16. See, the other one I'd be full of gas right there. Now I'm gonna try this bad boy out. Sweet. Alright, one more thing. I just went and ran it. It did run good, but it would idle down. If you didn't keep the trigger pulled, it would cut off. But on this one, this is the old one. The only adjustment screw in there is that little screw right there. Now when I took it apart, all I did was screw it all the way in and screwed it out 2 turns out, and it cranked fine. So this one, you can't see it in there, but a small screwdriver, you need a micro screwdriver, but that wasn't it anyway. All you have to do is adjust your little idle right there. That's all that'll do it right there, which I already just did it and idled it up. Let's see if I can do this without cutting something with that blade in here, but